Welcome to week 2 of rebuilding after I got hit by 2 hurricanes. Hi, my channel started out as a furniture refinishing channel, but then life happened. So now it includes my life experiences. Welcome to my channel. Here's the progress my contractors made in the past week. They finished securing the studs that open up into the front room. When I opened up the walls in this great room, I was stunned to find that there was absolutely no insulation. Now the contractors have ensured that insulation has been put in place. For the external walls that are made of cinder block, my contractors have used silver board for insulation. I took a walk in the backyard, and while it is high tide, I was actually surprised to find the water level was this high, given that there are no weather disturbances in the Gulf. After I removed the tiles in the passageway from the front room to the great room, which was shown in last week's video, I was left with this residue. I found the best way to remove this residue is with a heat gun and a 6-in-1 tool. This was a painstaking process, but I did eventually get it done. The top of the beverage bar was looking pretty crummy after having sat in the saltwater storm surge. So I first removed the paint, sanded it down, applied a coat of primer, and then, as you can see here, filled some of those gaps and dents with wood filler. Now I'm sanding down the wood filler to give a smooth surface. A link to the tools and supplies used in this video can be found in the description section. The knots in the pine can still be seen after the first coat of primer, so I'm applying a second coat. After the primer has dried, I'm sanding down the surface to remove any dust nibs. When the sanding is complete, I wipe down the surface with the damp rag to remove any sanding dust. The stucco walls in the great room used to be the exterior of the home, so all I needed to do with them is wipe them down, and here I'm removing the chip paint before giving it 2 fresh coats of paint. There were a few areas that needed some patching, so I'm using dry decks here to fill the gaps. I'm giving the baseboards a couple of fresh coats of paint because they also looked a bit grimy from the saltwater storm surge. I'd like to take a moment to thank the viewers who have supported my channel either through Buy Me a Coffee or my Amazon wish list. It means a lot to me. Now the first coat of paint on the walls can begin. And the second coat of paint. enjoying this content, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And here it is, a fresh coat of paint. My contractors have been great, allowing me to work side by side with them while providing me a discount for the extra pair of hands. Here I'm using a pocket surform plane to file down the edges of the drywall so that the corner beading can sit flush on the corners. And here's a look at the progress my contractors made this week. Much of the great room now has drywall, and I gave the stucco portion of the great room a fresh coat of paint. The master bathroom shower has been plastered. They have also insulated the exterior walls with silverboard. Green board has been applied to the second bathroom shower. And most of the drywall is also up. We've begun hanging drywall in the kitchen. they've applied silverboard to the exterior walls in both the second bedroom and the master bedroom. And finally, silverboard has been applied to the exterior walls of the front room. Thanks for watching.